Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog from Kerala. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. We all are doing well and enjoying our days at home. I love to wake up to the chirping sound of birds, and nothing is more relaxing than that. If you have watched our home tour video which was posted last year, you would have seen our favorite part of this house, that's the balcony in our master bedroom. Having a cup of tea and enjoying the view from there is very relaxing, and your day starts with fresh and crisp air. This Swiss bell was a gifted one. I had ordered few kurtis from Amazon a month back to my parents' house. My mom had washed all the kurtis and kept it ready, so just wanted to show you all what I ordered. I shall give the link of all these in the description box below. Most of them are cotton because the climate here in Kerala is humid, and I feel very comfortable wearing cotton clothes, be it at home or while going out. Some kurtis are with bottom and shawl, some are just the tops. These are some here and there shots taken days after we landed. The next day, my parents had brought some food for breakfast and lunch that's cooked by my mom. We didn't meet, they just kept the food near the gate and left. Later that afternoon, I started unpacking our luggage. I arranged everything what was there in our bags and emptied it. I first took out whatever was there in the wardrobe and rearranged with whatever we took from Riyadh. I kept all the candles, essential oils, string lights, incense sticks and such in one single drawer. And that's kids' dresses arranged. Undergarments and socks in these baskets. Kids have enough space to ride cycle, and Arman is a happy man now. He badly wanted to ride cycle when we were in Riyadh. Due to Corona, we never went to park, and riding a cycle is now possible. My in-laws have done a bit of farming over here. Let me give you a glimpse. Few more are there over the other side, which I'll show you later. This is cabbage. That's spinach, red and green. These are green chilies which you might have seen on my Instagram story. Lots and lots of green chilies. I shall show what I did with these in another video. This is tapioca plant and all the tapiocas you can get under the soil. And that's cauliflower. This is one of the essential oils I bought from Center Point in Riyadh. Very lovely smell. Our evenings are having tea from our lawn we have in one corner, and it's very relaxing if there's no rain. The weather right now is neither cool nor hot. On some days it's a bit windy. A day back it was raining. So it's like a mixed weather right now. Anyway, we are having good time at home. Some activities to pass time is playing dominos, where me, my husband and Rehan plays together. Arman is least interested and he swings while we play. We even play Uno cards. I know the vlog has gone really very short. We'll definitely be back with more lengthy vlogs. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like I always say, give a thumbs up so that I know you loved it. See you all with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.